Hey there. Today, let's dive into a topic that's often misunderstood: garbage islands and ocean pollution. Now, if you've ever felt guilty about using a plastic straw or not recycling every piece of plastic, you're not alone. But here's the truth: most of us aren't the real culprits behind ocean pollution. Think about it. The majority of people don't live by the sea. They don't throw their waste directly into the ocean. Yet we're constantly bombarded with messages that tell us it's our job to stop plastic pollution, reduce our carbon footprint, and clean up the oceans. This narrative makes it seem like we're the main problem, but that's a massive oversimplification. For decades, countries like the United States and other industrialized nations have been dumping waste from large cities and factories into the oceans. And I'm not talking about just a little bit of trash. We're talking about entire garbage islands that have formed in the Pacific Ocean, some the size of small countries. This relentless pollution is often ignored or minimized in the mainstream media, yet it continues to have a devastating impact on marine life and the environment. Meanwhile, the focus remains on us, the individual. Use less plastic. Recycle more. Refuse that plastic straw. Sure, individual actions matter, but they are not enough to tackle the scale of this problem. The real change has to come from policies and actions of governments and corporations that are the main contributors to this environmental disaster. But instead of holding these powerful actors accountable, the blame is conveniently shifted onto us, the general public, as if we're the ones polluting the oceans on a massive scale. It's a convenient distraction that lets the real culprits off the hook. So, while we all have a role to play in protecting the environment, we must also recognize that the largest part of the responsibility lies with those who have the power to make systemic changes: governments, multinational corporations, and industries that continue to prioritize profit over the planet's well-being. It's time to stop blaming ordinary people for a crisis they didn't create. Let's push for real accountability and demand that those with the power to make a difference step up and take action. Because the health of our oceans and our planet depends on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.